imagine I have to hold a part like this one on my little shaper. Of course I don't have a vise big enough to hold it in place, so I have to mount it directly on the table. Now this part is too long to work, but you've got the idea. Since I want to work the whole surface in one time, I don't want any clamps on top of it that I have to move and then position somewhere else, and then the part risk to move, and that's not a good idea. Now when I bought this shaper, it came with these two things here. They are really handy because they have, as you can see, this tab holds it, and I can put this one on this side with T-nuts and hold it in place, use it as a stop, and I can also use the other side, put on this side and then tie the bolts, and it will hold the part in place. A few days ago I saw this video from Blondihacks, and she made these clamps that push on the sideways, but I think the design, it worked perfectly well, but the design was a bit complicated. And then a bit later I saw this video from TommyGun Machining, and he made this kind of stereo system, T-nuts that you slide in, bolt down, and then with an eccentric system push against the part. It works okay, but I think it's still a little bit too complicated. Now in the comments, TommyGun Machining, he told me, and now I would like to see if a shaper equivalent works. You know what, Tom? Let's find out. So I'm gonna put this away because it's a little bit cheating, and I'm not a cheater, of course. Let's make something. I am your father. Shit. Okay, I admit that they look maybe a little bit steampunk, but I completely messed up my welds here. I used to be a not so bad welder years ago, and then the last few years I don't weld anymore, and then you lose it. Okay, let's do a little bit assembly and then we'll see if it works. This one goes here. Of course the T-nut goes below here. All right. That seems to work. Now I think if I should use it, I will only take very light cuts because it's a little bit sketchy setup, but it works. Hey Tom. In the last couple of days this channel also passed the 1000 subscribers. 1000 real people with real feelings who thought by themselves, you know what, let's give this guy a chance. And I have no idea how to thank you. To say thanks, maybe I could send you my drill press, but I don't know how many stamps I have to put on it. Or maybe I can send you my little shaper, but then I cannot make videos anymore. I think I know what. I'm gonna make you a nice little cake. In the last couple of months in this workshop there were some creations, some failure creations, some not too bad creations, and some almost magnificent creations. But I think the most beautiful creation that comes out of this workshop is your smile while you're watching my videos.